In this product demo, we're going to give you a walkthrough of the automated scanning, data tracking, in-depth risk modeling, and real-time analytics Tala provides to protect your modern web applications. Tala's advanced scanning discovers sensitive information in forms, network requests, cookies, and storage, and maps the flow to third parties. Further, this data mapping identifies which vendor has access to what sensitive data, which vendor actually reads the sensitive data, and which vendor actually sends the sensitive data out. This data flow analysis is valuable to privacy and compliance teams, assessing a range of regulations, including GDPR, CCPA, and others. Tala identifies a comprehensive list of behaviors of the website that includes information on connections the site makes with servers, images present on the site, iframes, style sheets, and many more. Tala also identifies the presence or the lack thereof of all the critical web security controls, be it CSP, SRI, HSTS, and others. Tala also pinpoints programming risks that can introduce client-side vulnerabilities, such as all DOM XSS sinks and JSONP endpoints. Based on the behaviors of your site, including the code, the content, and risks we identify, Tala builds a security policy that's precise for your website. Tala's real-time analytics and alerting platform provides the intelligence needed to keep these policies up to date based on the threats we catch and any anomalies we find in the behaviors, be it malicious domains, script changes, and the like. To implement Tala protection, the security policies can be set via a CDN, a load balancer, or a web server technology of your choice. Tala allows application security teams to have a hands-off approach to client-side protection. To learn more about Tala and how we can help you, please contact us at talasecurity.io.